Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take your lips from blam to damn. And disclaimer, full lips, you don't have to have big full lips, but I love how big full lips look on myself personally, and my natural lips are kind of smaller and my top lip isn't that proportionate to my bottom lip, so I like to enhance the look. Of course, I don't have the funds for fillers yet, but this is for my bitches who want fillers, can't afford it, or want fillers but not gonna do it, but want big lips. So make sure you stay tuned for the video and give this video a like and comment. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn those post notifications on. If you are, welcome back to my channel.
I'm just gonna start by exfoliating my lips with a sugar lip scrub, and I'm going to be using a cranberry one from Beauty Treats. You can also use just like sugar or honey, a DIY, and it does the same thing. It just makes your lips naturally softer and plumper. Once you rub that all in, you're gonna want to rinse it off, and then you're gonna want to wipe it off and make sure that your lips are completely dry after. Now I'm going to start outlining my lips, and I'm going to be using my Milani Understatement Lip Liner in the color Rich Cocoa. You're going to want to use a color that is darker than your lips. So I'm just going to start by outlining the sides, and I'm going to be true to the shape, but I'm going to be overlining it just a little, and I'm going to be darkening it a lot on the sides. For the top of my lip, that is where I'm going to be doing the dramatic overline. So I'm going to be really darkening the top as well, and I'm going to be overlining that way more than I did the sides on the top of my lip. And you can basically see how much plumper that's already looking. I'm just going to start blending it in with my natural lip line. For the bottom lip, I'm going to be starting with the sides once again and darkening the outer line of my lip. And I'm going to be making sure I overline it, but I'm keeping it true to its natural shape. Under the bottom of my lip is where I can really overline a lot because your lip covers it, so you can do that dramatic overline under your lip and you won't even notice it. And now I'll just be darkening it and bringing that lip liner up towards my inner lip, really shading it in. So now I'll be using my lipstick, and I'm using a matte lipstick, and it's in a true brown shade, just so that it matches the color of my lip liner and it really blends out on my lips. And I also will be going over the spots that I lip lined as well. Now, just to make your lips a little bit more dramatic, you could put a little line of lip liner in each corner of your lips, which gives you that pouty Instagram model look. This is completely optional, but I like to do it. And now I'm going to be taking my concealer. You can use concealer or foundation. I'm just going to be putting a little bit in the corners of my lips and blending it out. I'm going to be putting this on all four corners, and it's definitely going to add to the plump look of your lips. After you finish that, you'll just want to go back in with your lip liner just to clean up all around your lips, the area where the concealer may have messed it up a bit, but just to redefine it and darken it. And of course, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Cosmetics lip plumper and primer stick, and I'm going to be using the lip plumper just a layer on my top and my bottom lip, just so that it gives it a more natural plump over time. It definitely does sting a bit, but it does wear off. And now you got those Kylie Jenner lips, period.